Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a landing page in Wix, so let's get right into it. Now, as you can see, this is what my dashboard looks like, but I have already opened up the website editor just to make it easier so that you don't have to wait for it to load. But yeah, what you're going to want to do is go to your website editor, go to whichever page you want, just make sure it's open and that you're at the site that you want to actually edit. And once you're here, what you're going to want to do is click here on Pages and Menu. And once this menu opens up, you want to click Add Menu Item and then Add New Page. Once you're here, as you can see among the options to the left, you have the landing page option, and you have all of these landing pages which you can use for your site. You can then click Preview, and you can see what that landing page looks like. You could very easily add this to a new page if you want to. You can add any of these pages, or you could look at them and take inspiration through the previews so that you can create your own with a similar layout. And that is basically all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.